Welcome to this tutorial on how to make a chart on Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for data analysis and visualization, and creating charts is an essential part of it. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to create a chart on Google Sheets. First, you need to have a Google account and access to Google Sheets. If you don't have one, create a Google account and navigate to the Google Sheets website. Once you are logged in, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. Next, enter your data into the spreadsheet. Make sure your data is organized in a table format with headers in the first row. This will make it easier to create a chart. For example, if you want to create a chart to show sales data, your table should have headers like date, product, and sales. Now, select the data range that you want to use to create the chart. To do this, click and drag your mouse over the cells that contain the data. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl-A to select all the data in the table. Once you have selected the data range, go to the Insert menu and click on Chart. This will open the chart editor, where you can choose the type of chart you want to create. Google Sheets offers a variety of chart types, including column charts, line charts, and pie charts. Choose the chart type that best suits your data. After selecting the chart type, you can customize the chart by adding titles, labels, and legends. You can also change the colors and fonts of the chart. To do this, click on the Customize tab in the chart editor and make the necessary changes. Finally, click on the Insert button to insert the chart into your spreadsheet. You can then resize the chart by clicking and dragging on the corners. You can also move the chart to a different location in the spreadsheet by clicking and dragging on the chart. Some best practices to keep in mind when creating charts on Google Sheets include keeping your data organized, using clear and concise titles and labels, and choosing the right chart type for your data. Additionally, make sure to proofread your chart for any errors or inconsistencies. In conclusion, creating a chart on Google Sheets is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps and best practices, you can create effective and informative charts to help you analyze and visualize your data. With Google Sheets, you can create a variety of charts to suit your needs, from simple column charts to complex composite charts.